We were looking at the integration between Azatel, Render, Vetro, Z-Manager, and we created our process, and it flows so well. So once a sale is made, I actually have 2 team members that help me work on this. One of them extracts that cell from Azatel, and it's a very simple process into Render called blueprinting. It blueprints our drops for us every single day. So when we have that task, he's able to issue those drops to our drop contractor. They were able to call in, locate, do their planning, and start working their list. They also have visibility on their maps to look at this, and it's been allocated to them and say, we've got 25 drops over in this one little neighborhood. So let's send a couple crews there and they can spend the day working to be efficient. The other person I have is on the GIS side. They take the same data, they jump into Vetro and they're building those circuits and putting those customers into service in Vetro. That lets us know who's working, if we got to do any kind of maintenance or road move. That gives us some time to plan and notify those customers, hey, there's going to be a disruption in your service. We're aware of it. We're going to schedule this at midnight. But it gives us visibility into knowing what's in service, who's in service, what facilities are in the field, and take ownership of those assets. Once that drop crew is done, one of the cool features in Rendo is it automatically tells Azatel, which is our customer service platform, the drop is complete. We now have a scheduling department, basically a dispatch department, and they reach back out to that customer and say, hey, we now have fiber all the way to your home. We'd like to schedule your home installation. What day works best for you? So then we start getting them on a schedule. We get our technicians loaded up for the day, anywhere from 3 to 5 installs, and they take off every day and they're doing home installation.